At Visa Signature Credit Card Review, pricing explained what you get for your money. The HSBC Visa Signature Credit Card offers premium benefits, but most people get this wrong. They think the annual fee outweighs the rewards. The surprising truth is that this card delivers value if used strategically. The annual fee is offset by generous rewards on travel and everyday spending, along with purchase protection and extended warranty benefits. You won't believe the travel perks cardholders receive: trip cancellation insurance, lost luggage coverage, and access to exclusive Visa Signature offers, which can save hundreds on travel expenses. Most people get this wrong by ignoring redemption flexibility. Rewards can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or statement credits, providing high value if leveraged properly. There is also no foreign transaction fee, making it ideal for international travelers. In conclusion, HSBC Visa Signature pricing balances fees with premium benefits. By understanding rewards earning, insurance coverage, and card perks, you go from zero to pro in choosing a card that maximizes travel and everyday spending benefits.